Hello team, this is a brief tutorial on how to ship packages from the branch using UPS.com. As you can imagine, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and navigate to UPS.com. Once you get there, go ahead and log in using your branch specific credentials. If you do not know yours, go ahead and contact myself or Keith Lister to get yours. Once you've logged in, hit the Ship tab. Once the tab loads, go ahead and enter the information appropriate. For choosing your account, go ahead and select your branch specific UPS account. Where are you shipping from should default to your branch. Please scroll through and confirm that your branch address is correct. In this case, I am using Springfield as an example, so this is the Getsy Springfield address and everything looks correct to me. So I'll go ahead and hit continue. Confirm the ship from location is the branch address and the return to is also the branch address. For where's your shipment going, majority of the time we're sending it to Getsy KC corporate. So select your Getsy Dano Kansas City address, scroll through and confirm it is correct. If everything looks right, hit continue. For packaging type, always select customer packaging unless you are using UPS's prepaid packaging options. Enter a weight that is as close to accurate as possible, hopefully utilizing the scales at the branch to do so. If you do not have a scale at the branch, please get it as close to accurate as possible without going over, because we will get billed for the overages. For example, I'll just use 1 pound here. If you're shipping out more than 1 box at a time, please add another package using this link right here and complete the same steps. Once you've done that, hit continue. We want all of our pickups to occur from the branch location and included in the normal pickup time. These should be defaulted, so leave them alone. The pickup address, again, confirm that it is your branch address. Leave no delivered or receiver checked because we want it to be delivered to Getsy Kansas City and not rerouted. Payment type or shipping type, please choose UPS ground. Hit continue. You can add notifications or other options if you see fit, but they are unnecessary. Go ahead and hit continue. We want all of our packages to be billed to our account, but we want them to be billed to our Getsy KC account. This is very important. Please make sure you do select the Getsy KC and not the branch UPS account. Go ahead and select review to review all of the package information. Confirm ship from, return to, and ship to addresses are correct. Packaging information is also correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and select pay and get labels. This will generate a PDF of our shipping label. Once you've generated your shipping label PDF, you have one of 2 options for printing the shipping label. Option A is just to simply print it on normal printer paper. Once you've done that, you would then take your printed shipping label, fold it in half, so the shipping information is on the outside. Then you would take the clear plastic pouch that we will provide for you. You'll fix that to the box and slide your folded shipping label into the clear pouch for it to be displayed on the outside, just like so. Option 2, UPS provides us with these shipping labels. They're 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, 2 labels per page. just feed these through any normal printer, and it'll spit out something that looks like this. Just a printed shipping label that you can then peel off and fix directly to the box like I've done here. If there are already shipping labels from a previous shipment on the box, please cover them and or rip them off entirely. Lastly, if this is a part of a goods return, please include your tracking number on your return to corporate form in case this box gets lost. We'll know exactly what's in there, and we'll make sure your customer is getting credit. That pretty much concludes the tutorial. As always, contact me if you have any questions or concerns about the process. Thank you and have a nice day.